Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be opening this huge packet. It's really huge and these are from Nestle Minis. So it contains 36 pieces and there was 15% off. Apart from that, it contains, I believe, 4 these different chocolates. One is Kit Kat, one is Aero, one is Kit Kat Mini. This one was milk chocolate, and these are some Smarties Mini. So let's not waste much time and open it. So over here all the nutritional facts has been mentioned, and this side they have shown all the 4 chocolates which they are providing. So let's open it. So here comes the chocolates. Wow, beautiful. These are very cute, you know, Smarties, Aero. Small chocolates are really good. You can, you know, eat it and you don't have to preserve if you are not in mood to, you know, have full. So first I'll be opening this Aero one. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, these bubbles which they have shown on here, it's camera. Hope it's visible to you. Yeah, now it's, see, this is the texture which they have printed on this chocolate. Very nice. Now I'm gonna taste it. Really soft. Very sweet and soft texture. Now let's have this Kit Kat milk chocolate. Dun, dun, dun. So this is how it, camera, yes, the Kit Kat is mentioned over here. So let me break it, and here comes the chocolate. Very nice. Little bit of crunch is there. Nice. Let's open. I think this one is the oldest one, because now Kit Kat has came with so many different flavors, nuts, milk, and so many different things. But this was the all-time favorite, the first Kit Kat. Focus, focus, yes. So it's like this. Have it. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. That old flavor, proper. Now which one? Oh, this Smarties. Gems. These are very small gems. Means first time I'm seeing this is the size of gems, because earlier I've seen the little bigger one, but as the pack is smaller, so gems are also smaller. Nice. So friends, that's all for today. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Go and purchase these kind of mini chocolates which are easy to eat and easy to safely keep. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.